Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove silent portions or other unwanted portions in your audio recordings using Audacity. So let's get started. I'm going to record a short voiceover real quick. This is a short voiceover with some silent sections. There we go. So here's our waveform, and if we play the audio, this is what it sounds like. This is a short voiceover with some silent sections. So to remove your silent sections, it's really simple. Simply highlight the portion you want to remove and press delete. And this will automatically move the rest of your audio track forward. This is a short voice. So there's another part here that I'm going to quickly remove. Voiceover and another one here. So I'm just left clicking and dragging my mouse over the flat areas of the waveform. Going to keep doing this till we reach the end. And here is our finished product. This is a short voiceover with some silent sections. So there isn't really much left of the silent sections that was originally recorded. So it's really simple and it's really easy. Although if you're working with longer files, it might get a bit tedious, but it's very easy to do. So that's it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.